Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this Mophie juice pack. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say they're interested in getting a Mophie juice pack. What is it actually like, or is it actually worth it? And so how this works is that I've been using this for quite some time now, and I must say that what really surprised me is how slim this case is. So it's a really nice, lightweight, protective charging case. And it's basically going to add about 50% additional battery life to your phone. So I have the one for the iPhone 16 Pro. You have here like a charging light indicator. And so this is going to basically add up to 42 hours of extra talk time, 42 hours of extra music playback time, about 12 hours of more of video playback time. And this LED power indicator where you press this button here is going to show you how much charge is left on the case. And it's also got nice raised edges to ensure that your phone case stays protected. So if you can imagine, this is where your iPhone 16 Pro is going to be placed, where it's placed within this housing unit. The camera is still exposed. It's being charged in this port cable right over here. And with that port cable, it's got a 2800 milliamp internal battery. And I really do feel comfortable with my phone being within this case just because it's going to have some high impact protection. Now, it's also got an integrated passive magnet, which securely connects to magnetic accessories. And what I mentioned before is that you basically also have priority charging. So the power is channeled to your phone first, and then the juice pack battery second. So once you plug in the charger into here, that charge is going to charge your phone first, and then charge this juice pack battery second. But overall, it's a very nice slim case. It really does give a good protection. I'd say get it for if you basically have long or short battery usage on your phone. Get it if you run out of battery really quickly. Get it if you're going to go out camping and you don't have a way to charge your battery for quite some time. Instead of having to carry the wire around for portable chargers, all you've got to do is just have your phone housed in here, and you've basically got double the battery life. But there you have it, guys. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.